Hey folks, wanted to do a little little video, just kind of detailing out exactly why I do what I do. I'm getting a lot of questions from people about why are you choosing this zone and that zone. It literally is 100% about uh, higher time frame POIs and candlestick structure and market structure. So if you draw out the order flow on the candlestick structure, it goes like this. And you keep going all the way down. Go all the way to the top here, down here, top. Alright. And why do I do this? Well, going left to right as you go from bottom to top, that is a swing, mini swing on a smaller time frame. So all these are zones. So I could draw from here to here. I could draw from here to here, and so keep going all the way down, here to here, all the way down, and then the ones like this. Well, this is still a mini swing. So you went down here and up. So that's a zone. Anything from left to right that's going up, that's a zone. Here's another one. Here's a zone. But what do you see about this zone? What you should see is as soon as we went, because we're going from the bottom here to the top here, as soon as we took out this bottom with price, that's a valid swing zone. Well, what did it do? This green candle came back and took out the 50%. So we just mitigated that zone. So that's no longer a zone. And then you've got from the bottom of this green candle to the top of the green candle. That's a zone. And we have taken out the bottom of it. So that's an active zone. So that would be your next one here. That one's already been mitigated. Of course, I'm not really counting these wicks, but those are zones as well. I mean, you could highlight you could do that too. I don't want to take any shortcuts to confuse anybody. And then you've got, fair value gaps when you don't connect the two wicks. And then let me move this over for a minute. When you come over here below it, so the price is down here. So now I'm looking for zones below it. Well, same thing. So if I'm going to draw out the price action, here's how I'm going to draw it. And the only difference is where I was saying that if you're going left or right and you're going up, when you're below price, that's a zone above. Well, when you're above price, it's what's coming down. So down here we have this. Let me move that all the way over. And what hasn't been mitigated? Well, this one hasn't been mitigated. And by mitigated, I mean it hasn't taken out 50% of it. So you got those. And you got this wick below as well. Other than that, you'd have to go back and look at these. So this is below. So this red one all the way across. In the bottom of this green one. Well, actually, the bottom of this red one in the bottom of the green one. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, so I've drawn a lot of zones below and above. Let me bring this back over. So this is the order that I'm looking for. So I'm going to get rid of the price action that I drew, but I'm going to leave the zones. Alright, so we're at, this is the 4th of December, 9:29:50, so let this play out. Alright, so we're already inside this zone, so I would have already taken
order filled.
This looking for us to, boom, right there. I wouldn't have, of course I didn't place my thing in time, but, so I was doing something else, but anyways.
Target filled.
We just took out this zone, and this zone, and this zone. Well, above, now we're back into this zone, so I'm kind of looking
filled.
for this one. And I would have already been out. I'm talking and not working.
Target filled.
There we go. Alright. So that took out this one. Are we going to take out this one too? That's the very next one. And then what you're looking for, if we are trying to go from
order filled. Target filled.
From bearish, because we're in a bearish structure, we're in a bearish downtrend. But if we're looking to start changing our bias to long, we have to close above the wicks up above. We got to get a closure up above, come back in the zone, and then go. So we're still bearish. And we just took out 50% of this wick here. I don't know why I have that thing. We still have all this down below that can be taken out or needs to be mitigated. There's actually a big fair value gap, which we just took out. I didn't draw that before. Anyways, so we took out that fair value gap, and look at that. We just took out all these zones I just highlighted. You know,
order filled.
Now we're back up here.
Target filled.
We're still bearish. You know, this is still, nothing has changed. We are bearish. But we took that zone. The next one would be this little area here. Possibly this area here. Yep. We already took that one out. We've got this little wick down below, and I haven't even gone way back, but there's a lot of stuff back here I could be drawing. But I'm trying to focus just on this. So let's see if we get a continued move down, then that's alright. So here now we've got this zone coming back, the green one, all the way up.
Order filled. Target filled.
Now we've taken care of that zone. So now we're left with this and this. As soon as we get above this line, this high on this wick, then this will be a zone coming back the other way. I don't know if we're going to get above that. But I've just been screwing around, not taking trades where I should be taking, and I'm up $1,120 in 3.5 minutes. So, if I was more focused, so now we're probably going to take out
order
this.
Filled. Target filled.
Alright, there's $11.95. Took care of this, took care of this. Now we're fighting to possibly, this is the high that we need to see a close above and then back down. Well, down below we have this wick, or this fractal. We took out that fair value gap. We still have this little zone, which is fractal from here to here. Okay, and we're above that. So we went above that area that I told you about. So now we're here.
Order filled.
Again, I'm focused on
Target
talking.
filled.
There we go. We took care of it. Alright, so we took care of, yep, got that zone. There's no more zones here, but the zones are further back. So I don't know if we're going to come sweep the bottom. If we do, then great. I'll just stop the video because I'm not going to go back and look at it. But you do have this little zone, which looks like we might be coming down to get. But we're below this. Now we're below this high, or this low, I should say. So from here to here is now the zone above. We're still bearish.
Order filled.
Still bearish. This one might not work out. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. We've already entered into the zone. Now we just need a little push to the 30-50. We kind of got the 30 right there, but let me see.
Stop
All right,
filled.
there we go. So we just got all that with a couple of points. That wick's taken out. We still have to mitigate this.
Order filled. Target filled.
Right there. I'm a little over 6 minutes in, over $1,500. Just talking and creating zones. That's been mitigated. We're still bearish though. We've got to take out, now we've got to take out this candle here. We got to close above this candle, come back into the zone and go up if we're wanting to start thinking about a bullish bias. We got to have something like that. So anyways, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Talk to you soon.